is a Wilson's bird paradise. He's brightly coloured, but about the size of a sparrow. First, he tidies things up. Showing off in this jumble of leaves wouldn't be easy. And his beauty will stand out better against a plain background. His stage is set. And now he must hope a female hears his call. He can wait here for weeks on end. At last, a female. Time to take up position. She will judge him by the brightness of his feathers. But for the female to see him at his best, he needs her to perch directly above his sage. This might be his only chance to shine. Now, when she's looking directly down on him, he reveals her display for her eyes only. And that does the trick. Each animal must find its own way of surviving the competition of the jungle.